Does the audience favorite have any bearing?
What? I think someone's a little nervous. I said that was quite an entrance that you made at the tribute parade the other day. You want to tell us about it?
Well, I was just hoping that I would have burned it up.
When you came out of that chariot, I have to say, my heart stopped. Did any of you experience this as well? My heart stopped.
So did mine.
Now tell me about the flames. Are they real?
Yeah.
The bird said, it's funny.
In fact, I'm wearing them today. Would you like to see?
Wait. Is it safe? What do you think, folks? I think that's a yes.
I wouldn't be able to be outside working. That's the story.
That was really something. That was something. That was something. Thank you for that.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I have one more question for you. It's about your sister. We were all very moved, I think, when you volunteered for her bereavement. Did she come and say goodbye to you?
Yes.
She did. She did. And what did you say to her in the end?
I told her that I would try to win. That I would try to win for her.
Of course you did. You try, you win. Ladies and gentlemen, from District 12, Kansas 17 to go!
Directly affect things how popular, but the thing is to get their attention, to get them sponsors later.
What sponsors?
Stress, too.
They make contributions like during the games, like this business of they might need something very badly in the arena. And for
weapons wise?
what?
Weapons wise?
Or just survival wise, like soup or
Oh, really?
matches or something.
Oh, okay. How long does this take?
It all depends on how the fighting goes.
Okay, well, the shower.
This is the only one to kill in this movie, right?
What?
We have different
The
showers.
only hungry.
Oh, there's only one in this movie, yeah.
Jimmy loves your hat, Dad.
It's part of my hat.
He loves it. He's messing with it.
Looks like a bone. It's not.
You definitely smell better than I do. Well, I've lived here long. That makes sense.
Yeah, it's plastic. There's still chunks of plastic on
Now,
that.
Is there a special girl back home?
this part, does he have a special girl back home?
I don't believe it for a second. Look at that face. Handsome man like you. Peter.
Peter.
Well, there's this one girl that I've had a crush on forever, but I don't think she actually recognized me until the reaping.
Well, I'll tell you what, Peter. You go out there and you win this thing. And when you get home, she'll have to go out.
Usually
Right,
right.
folks?
He'll have to kill her.
don't think winter's gonna help me at all.
And why not?
She's in it. She's in the games.
Because she came here with me.
Oh.
And that, you'll
Well,
see,
that's bad luck.
she doesn't have a clue who's going to say that.
Oh my God. And I can see now that they're going to be the last two left. You don't have
Peter
to tell
Miller.
me, but I can see it.
But just look at the immediate aftermath. She is furious with him.
Yeah.
What the hell is that? You don't talk to me and then you say you have a crush on me? You say you want to train alone? Is that how you want to play? Huh?
Stop it!
Let's start right now.
Hey.
Did you
He made me look weak.
He made you look desirable, which in your case can't hurt, sweetheart. He's right, Captain. Of course I'm right. I can sell the Star-Crossed Lovers from District 12.
We are not star-crossed lovers.
It's a television show. And being in love with that boy might just get you sponsors, which could save your damn life. Okay, why don't you get out of here? Maybe I can deliver you both.
Maybe I can deliver both with one piece.
Michael?
Wow, they took it off, huh?
No. Michael?
Oh.
You get him 10 minutes into the movie,
It broke.
and he's snoring.
Now, they do have a talk, you'll see, before the games. And
Oh, yeah,
she's
well,
not
I'm
mad
saying
at
if
him
it, or
as
he'll
much
laugh at it.
anymore in this nice
But
conversation.
if you get him to sit and watch a long movie,
I'll put it back in the case.
first 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes of the movie, you'll
Me too.
He was
Can say yes.
old popcorn.
Of course not.
and you got him good.
I'm putting it away.